Good afternoon and welcome to the Q&A session 20 from the chapter of units and measurements. The topic is the calculation of solid angle subtended by the sky at a point in a well. So basically I have selected this topic based on the question which is written here on this board. So the question here is, a man is standing at the center of a well which is 15 meters deep. The radius of the well is 5 meters and the height of the man is 3 meters. So we have to find the solid angle subtended by the sky at the eye of this man. So here this is the well. Like this. The radius of the well is 5 meters. So this is 5 meters. And the height of this this depth of this well is 15 meters. So this is the depth of the well, which is equal to 15 meter, and the man is standing at the center of the well. So this is the center of the well here. There is a man which is standing here, and so we have to find the solid angle subtended by the sky at the eye of the man. So this is the man here. Now the height of the man is 3 meters. So the distance between the center of the top of the, we can say the top surface of the well. This is a point O, which is the center of the top surface of the well, which is circular in shape. So the distance between this point and the eye of this human being, this man, will be equal to 12 meters. Because the depth of the well is 15 meters, the height of the man is 3 meters. So the distance between the eye of the man and the center of the top of the well surface will be equal to 12 meters. Now this man will be able to see the sky through this top surface of the well. Now the solid angle is basically the measure of the amount of space enclosed by a particular surface at a point in space. So here the point is the eye of this man. So the amount of space which will be enclosed by this top surface of the well at the eye of the man will be in the form of a cone, like this. So in this question we have to find the solid angle subtended by this cone at the eye of this man, or you can say we have to find the solid angle which is subtended by this top surface of this well at the eye of the man, and the amount of space which is enclosed by this surface, that is the top surface of the well, at the eye of the man will be in the form of a cone. So we will be using here the formula for the solid angle subtended by the cone at the vertex. So here this is the vertex. The eye of the man is the vertex. This is equal to 2 pi 1 minus cos alpha, where alpha is half of the vertex angle. Half of the vertex angle. So this is 5. The radius is 5. This is 12 meters. So the slant height of this cone will be equal to, by using the Pythagoras theorem, this will be equal to 13 meters. Now here alpha is half of the vertex angle, so this is the vertex angle. Let us say this is the point A, this is the point so this is the point B, this is the point A, and let us say this is the point C here. So angle BCA, angle BCA, this is the vertex angle, and angle BCO, this is equal to alpha. Alpha is what? This is the half of the vertex angle. So here cos alpha, that is this angle is alpha. So cos alpha will be equal to base upon hypotenuse. So cos alpha will be equal to 12 by 13. So the solid angle subtended by this cone at the vertex C will be equal to 2 pi. 1 minus cos alpha is equal to 12 by 13. So the solid angle subtended by the sky at the eye of the man, which is equal to the solid cone, which is equal to the solid angle subtended by this cone at the vertex C, will be equal to 2 pi into 1 by 13. So this is equal to 2 pi upon 13 steradian. So in the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same topic of solid angle. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.